Right, I'm looking outside the hotel window. There's currently a thunderstorm. I've already filmed one outside and I'll put the link to that one in the video because I've got some good lightning on that, I think. Hopefully I'll be able to get some lightning on here. It looks like there could be a more active cell coming. It's hard to tell, but I'm in the hotel now because I was too scared to be outside in it. Because you never know what lightning's going to do. Could strike you. So I thought it's safer in here than it is outside, which is certainly true. Lightning can strike anywhere. If you can see, I know this window's very mucky, but it is raining now. You might not be able to see the lightning from around here, but I'm sure you'll be able to hear the thunder. Ah, lightning! Whoa! They were fart flashes. I hope I got that on camera. You might be able to hear the thunder in a second. Oh yeah, there we go. Big rumble afterwards. That was a good flash with that. Oh yeah, so the thunder seems to be around there. The lightning. It's not a very active cell, but there is some activity in it. I was hoping it'd be more active, but sadly not. Still hear it rumbling on from that rumble. I think that might be another rumble now. It's hard to tell. But yeah, that were big lightning. The rain's also getting very heavy. You won't be able to see it here. It is, I hope it hails. It's not doing yet, it's just raining, but fork lightning about like that, that's the dangerous stuff. Very dangerous stuff. Well, that's something I thought I saw, some sort of flash. I might be mistaken. It's hard to tell. But if it's a developing thunderstorm, it's quite likely. I think there were something. Yeah, there's a bit of thunder there. Or something in the distance. That one must have been either above us or something. I didn't see that one. But yeah, there was something. Or behind us, maybe. The last one was awesome though. So there's like a break in the cloud coming, but then there's more behind. Which is very strange. But it's possible, because there might be two separate cells. But yeah, these like structures can form into big supercells, these storms. Luckily it's not a right big storm yet. It isn't at the moment anyway, but I think a lightning flash could be here any time now, so I'm just getting this ready. Because I haven't seen one from this cell for a bit. And it does look quite dark, so it's likely to produce another flash anytime now. Rain is getting very heavy. Sounds like someone's having a shower upstairs. Oh, was that a flash? I don't know. Possibly not. There is some, the rain is quite big drops, fairly big drops. The cell seems to be moving over to this side now. But yeah, very, very dark above us. Which I guessed it were going to be, but I thought it would be more active than this. But I think that's because it's a very small cell. A lot of seagulls. Some in Scarborough. A lot of clouds here, watch it. There'll be a flash now, I'll turn it round. And move it back just in case a flash does come. We don't want to miss one. From here. Because these could be awesome. I just hope no one come and get me. There's some distant rumbles, possibly from another storm. Not having much luck at getting the lightning on here, but I know there is some activity in that cell. It is very dark. It's every so often it does it. Could happen any minute, you never know with thunderstorms. It needs to build up with energy first, and then once it's built up with enough energy, that's when the lightning happens. Did I see a flash there? I'm not sure. The first one I've ever filmed on YouTube. It's a lot brighter over there, but there could be some more cloud behind it. But, see, it's getting very, very dark there. Especially above us, where we could be. And, lightning. I haven't heard one for a bit. The window is open so we can hear it. So don't worry about that. You'll be able to hear them through the window. I can hear something rumbling. It might be over the other side now, which I can't see because it's in one room. If it's over the other side, but there's still that bit of dark cloud there, so it could still create another flash. Been a bit unlucky really. Say we didn't have much flashes from that. Out of a homegrown thunderstorm. With the way it is. There were flash then. Surely there was something. Just wait for it. I'm sure of it. Maybe not. Thought I could hear. Thought I saw something. No, I must have been mistaken. It might have been a distant flash that I saw. The sky is dark enough to see the flashes. Sometimes you can see flashes but can't always hear the thunder because the sky's not there. Because the thunder, it could be too far away. Some cumulus clouds there underneath the cumulonimbus, which is what causes thunderstorm clouds. There's a bit of thunder. Definitely some activity in it still. It's not a very good one to film, but it's better than nothing. I wanted a better one than this. I've seen ones where they keep flashing and flashing and flashing. Sometimes you don't always hear the thunder in those ones because the storm's too big and you can't hear it either because of the wind, usually the case, and also because of the heavy rain that's in the more hail. But this one you can hear them because the cell's not too bad. It's not too big, should I say. It's not overly warm, so you should be able to hear the thunder unless it's in the far distance. But like I say, lightning can strike anywhere from the storm. Yeah, it goes all the way around there to that cloud. It's very slow moving. I'm around there. Bit bright, but then there's more stuff. The activity definitely seems to have calmed down now. It's still a storm though. I can tell by the look of the cloud. Don't know why it's calmed down, but it has calmed down the rain as well. Funnily enough. Wouldn't surprise me if there's more though. Bit of a boring storm this, isn't it? Oh, when you have that big bang in the last video. Good. That's just my dad's phone, I apologise. He always gets in the background of videos. It annoys me so much. Not again. Can you stop it, please? Starting to rain a little bit again. That was someone in the background from the hotel. Feels a bit of a cold wind blowing in through these windows. And by the way, if you see a thunderstorm, you're supposed to have the windows open, as lightning can get through them, although it can still smash them anyway. It's It's supposed to be away from windows. You're not supposed to use any electronics, which I am as well because I'm using cameras. And I'm in a hotel with it all, which I shouldn't be either. That's some thunder. I'm not sure if you saw the lightning or not, because I wasn't really looking at that at one point. Yeah, I definitely heard the thunder. So there's probably not going to be a bit of activity for a while now. The activity's probably just been released. Plus I think it's going away as well. There's like two different cells, one there, there's one behind, which we can't see. The rain's definitely getting heavier. Again. It's quite light for a thunderstorm though. But I looked at the radar and there were some very heavy spots in the centre of those cells. There's some very dark stuff over there that doesn't seem to be flashing either. It's hard to tell from the angle I'm looking at. That building in the way. There's some breaks, but there's plenty of different cells which are capable of producing lightning. This lightning could just about happen anywhere from these. See it slowly approaching. I probably will have time to film it by the time it gets here because I've got I'm watching the England cricket highlights at 7 because the clouds are moving so slowly. Proves it's quite heavy and there's not much wind around, and that's the trouble with these storms. They could easily produce a lot of rain in one small space. That's a big rumble. Don't have a clue where that came from, whether it came from that cloud, one behind us. One over there, didn't see the flash, so I don't know. Probably fork lightning. Most likely. From one of the clouds, but I don't know which one. As I say, I can't see them all from here, I don't get a good view. At least there's a window to peek out at least, which is nice. There's a more active cell over there, I can tell you that. Oh yeah, you can see that's active. It's a fun. This thunderstorm has developed. I'm going to speak you through it now. This thunderstorm has developed because there's a thundery low to the south of the UK, which has allowed moisture to come in, and due to a cold front slipping southwards, I know it's already slipped, it's triggered a lot of energy as the two air masses meet. In fact, there's actually 3 air masses because there's also an air mass trying to push in from the west, and all of this energy has led to some thunderstorms, and due to the sun and the moisture in the atmosphere, it's risen, creating all these clouds, and this is what we have, thunderstorms. These can often develop into supercells, but they haven't in this case because of a lot of high cloud, and the temperatures just haven't been warm enough. If the temperatures had been warmer and there'd have been less high cloud, there'd have been some really nasty supercells here. So they got all any worse, there'd have been supercells. Which is where there's like loads and loads of lightning, torrential rain or hail, and also strong winds you usually get behind those, and sometimes tornadoes. But I don't think there's going to be any because it's just not warm enough. You can see there in the distance, that's the other cloud I'm talking about, slowly making its way across. It should eventually come. But before that, we've still got this one, still hanging on to the same cloud. I'm more interested in that one than this one. I know it's a thunderstorm. They're both thundery, I think. But I'd have to have a look at the radar. They're very, very slow moving, as you can see there if you watch. Can't make it out on the camera, but I can tell you they are slow moving storms, and there could be a lot more to come. So I'm going to end this video here. If they get worse, I will update you through the evening. So thanks for watching, I'll see you later, goodbye.